Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I've been back out to Lidl supermarket recently to pick up some more bargain DIY tools. So in this video I'll be showing you the latest tools that I've picked up at Lidl supermarket. So here we have a nice little cheap and cheerful brush for a dustpan and brush for sweeping sawdust off of your workbench, that sort of thing. It's got a hole here to hang it on the wall. Not much to say about this. Cheap little brush to keep your workshop nice and tidy. Next up we've got this Ratchet Handle. It says on the packaging for sockets and accessories with 12.5mm or half-inch connection. Practical quick release mechanism. So I didn't have a half-inch ratchet, so I thought I'd pick this one up. It's got a nice rubber handle on the end of it. We'll just take it out of the packaging and take a closer look. So it's got forward and reverse. Makes a nice sound. There's the quick release button. Nice brushed finish. Nice handle. So I picked these up in the sort of bargain bin. They were reduced. It's a doorstop set 8-piece. Basically just sort of a round hard bit of plastic to use if your door is touching your wall. Instead of having an old-fashioned doorstop that sort of bends one way and the other, they can look a bit ugly. One of these might not be so obvious. Just protect the walls and furniture, that sort of thing. And these are self-adhesive, protect walls and furniture of various sizes. You get 2 times 59mm, 2 times 40mm and 2 times 21mm. So here we have a pack of decorators scrapers. This is a 4-piece set. 15cm, 10cm, 7.5cm and a 3.8cm for applying plaster to various surfaces. So let's open up the pack and take a closer look. So a nice selection of 4 different size scrapers. Here's the largest. All of them have these nice rubberized handles on them with a hole so you can hang it on a wall. Reasonably thick metal, quite sturdy. And now going down to the smallest one, I like to use these ones to mix up filler, wood filler, that sort of thing, and apply fillers. You don't usually get the smaller sizes in these packs like this one, so that's a nice bonus. So not much else to say about these really. 4 useful scrapers for decorating, applying plaster, fixing up walls when you're going to add some wallpaper, that sort of thing. Good for DIY home use. So next up we've got this bucket. I recently broke one of mine. I think I got it from B&Q and it went brittle and broke, so I thought I'd get myself another one. Really cheap. It's got a metal handle on it and it doesn't feel too brittle, the black plastic. It feels a little bit squishy, so hopefully it won't crack. It's 12 litre capacity, says on the label. 12 litre bucket made from 100% recycled plastic. So again, there's not a lot to say about it. It's a bucket. It has indicators inside here. You can't see them, but it does have them going up to 12 litres, so you can measure out how much you need of whatever. Seems okay. Here is a Parkside 10-metre tape measure with a 3-year warranty on it with slide lock. So let's open up the box and take a closer look. So here it is. It says 10M on it, just so you don't forget. Parkside logo, nice green plastic, and it's got rubber along the top and the bottom. So good for grip and good if you drop it, I suppose. It has a little lock button on the bottom here So when you pull it out, you can press that to keep it temporarily locked, or you can use this main lock here, which locks it without you having to touch anything. That's nice. On the back there is a black clip for your belt, or to put it on like a storage rack or whatever. And then you've got the lanyard here. It has imperial and metric measurements on it. Pretty standard really. The tape is a little bit thin. I expected it to be a bit more robust, but I've checked this and I went out to about 7 feet and it didn't crack. It stayed rigid, so not too bad. A little bit on the slim side, but not bad at all. Next up we have this utility knife set. Again, it's got the 3-year warranty, 33-piece set. So you've got your traditional knife here with the changeable blades that you can buy as standard, open it up and fit them. And then you've got some spare ones there, and then you've got 2 different sizes of kind of, I call these disposable knives. You break off the blade as it goes down, and there's extra ones as well, so quite generous. So let's open up the package and take a closer look. There's some nice instructions on the back that help you to understand how to change the blades on these different knives, which is good. So first off we have the traditional knife. Nicely made. It's a metal body. There's already a blade in here. Retracts nicely. You push this down, open up this screw to change the blades, and you get a spare set of blades. There's quite a few in there, but that's nice. And then you've got this standard sized knife. Blades come out like so. When they're worn out, you can break a piece off and move your way down to the next bit. And again, loads of spares. And then finally there's like a miniature version one for finer work, crafts, that sort of thing. And it also comes with some spare blades. So here we have a Parkside socket set, 15 sockets for all standard screw sizes, made from high quality chrome vanadium steel, and it's 20-piece, and it has the 3-year warranty. So just on the back of the packaging it tells you that they're made from high quality chrome vanadium steel, 15 sockets for all standard screw sizes, 3 wobble extensions for hard to reach areas, includes 2 adapters, and then it explains all of the contents. Here is the set. It comes in a nice case. And it's great if you don't need a huge extensive set of sockets. You just need some sockets for DIY. Just need something lightweight, compact for around the home. This looks quite good for that occasional job where you need an extension. Here's one of the sockets. And they all look quite well made. So we've got up to 20mm here. I've already got a 10mm little wrench that fits nicely on there. There's also an adapter so that you can get a smaller wrench on here if you've got a smaller wrench and use it that way. So here we have a selection of sets of paint brushes. There were some long ones, so there's a set of 3 here for emulsion paint and glaze, it says, and these are long ones for awkward areas. And then there's a 3-piece set for solvent based paint. So if you've ever tried to paint with solvent based paint and you've used an acrylic brush or I don't know what you call it, a synthetic brush. It tends to curl up and melt. So these are a bit different on this one, and they're marked with the red paint on the bottom. This set with the black on, therefore acrylic paint and emulsion paint, so water-based paint. And then the set with the green are, I think, supposed to be for like gardening. It says paint, wood protective gel, wood protective paint. So these are better for using sort of like a fence stain, for example, water-based fence stain. Nice to see that they're targeted for different things. So let's take a quick look at the set of 3 long ones. This is a 25mm. Nice long brush for getting into those awkward areas. There's a 25mm again, but this one's got a bend in it. And there's a 50mm with a bend in it as well. So these 3 packs, they're all the same in terms of size. You've got a 60mm brush, a 50mm and a 30mm. So here is a quick look at the ends of the solvent based brushes. Here are the ends for the acrylic and emulsion paints. And here are the ends for the garden brushes for garden fence stain, things like that. Here is a nice little pair of basic shears for the garden, Parkside shears, rubberized handles. Great for doing a bit of edging in the garden. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So as you see, plenty of bargains to be had in the middle aisle of Lidl supermarket. If you're a DIYer like myself, you like to do a bit of gardening, a bit of DIY around the home, there's plenty of tools to pick up. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.